students, good morning. Once again, welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School, Maua. Myself, Nimisha Mehta. We have started our grammar subject for standard 5 and we also started our revision for SAM 2. Here, chapter 8, present tense. We studied about tense and its types. Do you know main three types of tenses? Present tense, past tense and future tense. In this present tense, simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to express a habitual action or a general truth. Habitual action means our everyday work. Eagles fly in the sky. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy is a universal truth, means general truth. So, in this we use simple present tense. With singular nouns and pronouns, we add s, es or ies to the root forms of verbs to indicate the simple present tense. Singular noun or pronoun plus root form of the verb plus s, es or ies. He goes to school. Here we use es with go. With I, you and plural nouns and pronouns, we use the root form of the verbs to indicate the simple present tense. You remind in mind that third person singular and singular name, we use verb with s, es or ies. He, she, it goes. Daivat goes. Okay. Why? Because here we use singular name of a boy. I, you, plural noun or pronoun plus root form of the verb. I like books by Mark Twain. Note, we do not use the root form of the verb be alone. Instead, we use is, am, are. I am a hard-working student. Keep in mind, the following are the ways to form the simple present tense form of the verbs. Add s to most verbs when used with singular nouns and pronouns of the third person. Play, plays. Sit, sits. Swim, swims. Add es to verb ending in as, ch, sh, x, o or z. Watch, watches. Go, goes. If the verb ends in y, change to y to I and add es. Marry, marries. Carry, carries. As per here, exercise is A. Complete the sentences using the correct forms of the verbs given in brackets. Before eating, we always wash our hands. Water freezes. I drink. Rajat always speaks. Here Rajat third person singular. So Rajat speaks. This parcel contains. Rewrite the sentences by changing the singular nouns into their plural forms. Make other changes if necessary. So you have to write this sentence, repeat. Okay. This man walks in the park every Sunday. Here this, this singular. So we use here its plural form thac, these, men, men, walk. Why? Because here plural subject. So we use plural verb form. These men walk in the parks every Sunday. That woman works. Those women work. This little girl revises. These little girls revise. The infant sleeps. The infants sleep. I have put the book on the shelf. We have put the books on the shelves. As per that, we have to make plural form. Rewrite the sentences replacing I with the subjects given in brackets. I like to listen to classical music. Here we use instead of I, Salini. Salini likes to listen to classical music. Rohini and Roman calculate very quickly. So as per that, you finish your exercise as a revision. Do more and more revision for semester 2. Okay, I hope you understand this present tense, simple present tense. Okay, thank you.